Kailangan yung stand.
Ayan na. Ayan
Yan
na,
na
nag-double
ano.
first na.
Wait, CTF
Oh,
ends
ayoko
tomorrow,
sumap
right?
na to.
CTF
Yeah.
ends tomorrow.
It's back on casual. Casual or free for all? I don't know. I hate free for all also.
Yeah, free for all is
Trash.
basically 1v1.
Oh
Okay,
no.
double frost. And I got stunned. No, no way. No way. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Oh my god,
Shut
it's
up.
really annoying to get stunned. I'm alone in the dark. Oh!
No.
And it died.
Last shot na bago mamatay.
Hello? Stun mo na. Namatay ako ng fire. Okay.
Hindi, pwede ka mag ano sa akin, sweep torp. Ay sayang, hindi ka natama. Hindi mo natama sa akin.
Yung na-aim ko sa ano. It would work well kapag ano, may stun kami. Uy, Brawl Park.
Rare.
Oy.
Rare map.
Oy, I missed. Wait lang. There's one thing you should know.
What? Oh no. Oh no. Ah, crap. Oh, crap.
We switch weapons.
Come on, bro.
50 HP, it should have been. Wait, hala. He didn't give mercy. I was about to frost you again.
Iyan. Hindi kaya matank ng ano ko, ng Reaper ko. Shooter.
Shooter, hindi mo madodge yan.
Kaya yan. Kaya ko matank yan.
May railgun ka naman.
Ay, sumala nga eh. Yun nga lang yung pangit.
Parang
ko.
T5 yan. T5 epic.
Hindi, T4 lang. Tumatago lang talaga kayo.
Okay, go.
No, I missed. Okay, I'm dead.
Wait.
I'm dead now.
Mag-double frost ka naman. Hala. Karon din. Oh my god. Oh well. I think that was too harsh. Too harsh. Too harsh.
Hindi naman. Actually, yan nga yung kailangan ko.
Pero may posibilidad ma-dodge yun eh. Despite yung speed. Mag-rotate ka lang yung ship mo.
Oo.
Oh. Binigay na kita ng tip. Oh. Ma-pro ka na.
Sige.
Ma-pro ka na. Hindi ka na mag-move ng ship mo. Mag-rotate ka lang. Kasi mahirap mag-aim kapag yung ship ay hindi nag-horizontal, nag-vertical. Oh, namatay na. Namatay na.
No mercy yan sa akin si Siren. Quick!
Wait lang.
Oh!
Wait, what? He clutched? What?
Oo. Nagtagal. Akala ko wala siyang railgun.
Dalawang nagre-record. Dalawang tabs ko na gamit. Look!
What?
Malakas yung nitro mo. Look. Alright. Oh. Ano kasi mag-dodge na siya. Hindi mo ma-dodge na.
Wala na, caronade na. Caronade na. Ay,
Karon
hindi.
na. Ala, long range. Sige kasi ano nung oras na.
Ano? Sige, sige, sige.
Kasi kung mag 2K na akong infamy, hindi pa ako ready ng mga level 50 players.
Actually, magkakaroon ka ng kalaban na level 50 player kapag meron ng tier 5 epic.
Ah, yung mga epics ko, yung T4, T4 mine, T4 Torp, T4, 9K yung gear score ko sa fixer. Pero delikado mag-fixer high rank kasi kailangan mong maraming map awareness. Yung, magra-rush yung speeder mo. Sige na nga, matutulog na ako.
Bye-bye. Good
Yeah,
night.
bye-bye. It's good night. Good night, good night.